Hello, dear student. Today start from the new chapter. Your new chapter name is a chapter number 8. It will be carts and wheels. First of all, the words of wheel, it means that we have to use the circle, which is the circular part. Okay, the word of wheels, it means that this is our circle. Okay, it means that there will be example is based on the circle. Now see the picture actually carefully. This is our all the pictures have the circular part, and so many example is our circle. First of all, we have to use in the bangles. Now see every student, you have to see the bangles. Here bangles is a circular type. Okay, next one example is a coin. It means that your coin is what you have a 1 rupees coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees and 10 rupees coin is are a circular. Okay, next one example, this is a pressure cooker. Now the everyone student you will see about the pressure cooker. Here a pressure cooker is also a circular part. Okay, and next one is a cup, and in your house you have to use in the cup and plate. Okay, now this is our examples of the circle. Next one example is a wheelchair. Okay, pressure cooker, plate. Okay, next one example, one of the most important example is a moon, sun, ball. This is our all our example is our circle. Okay, is a moon is our also circle, your sun is our also circle. Okay, your ball is always the circular type. Okay, there are so many example is are a circle. Okay, now see the actually picture carefully in front of you. This is the chapter number 8, cars and wheel. Okay, now see the picture carefully. This is the picture has already all our picture is are a circular part. Okay, now see the how big this is the wheel. I have never see a wheel like this. Okay, and you must have the seen many such round things around you. Okay, so many things around you in the circular part. Okay, this is our circle. Okay, list the some more in your notebook. So many example I already discussed. This is our bangles is one of the example. Glass, cup, plate, pressure cooker is also example of circle. Moon, sun is also example of circle. Cup, plate, okay, is also example of circle. This is our all our example is our circle. Okay, and you must have seen such many around this thing around you. Okay, now let's start from the next one. Round Bengal. Have you ever gone to a Bengal shop? Yes, I went to a Bengal shop with my mom. Okay, every student in your market will be go in market. Okay, this is your Bengal shop. Okay, yes, I went to a Bengal shop with my mom. Okay, your sister. Okay, your brother, whatever. Okay, now next one. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too very small. Okay, now see the this is the three types of bangles are given. Okay, this is the first size is larger, then smaller, and then next one is a smaller. Now next, guess which of this bangle is of your size? Definitely, okay, you are the smallest bangle. We have to use in the smallest size. Okay. Now next one. Take a wire and make your bangle for yourself. Can your teacher wear this bangle? Okay, I made a bangle by wrapping this around right, and I showed this to teacher. Okay, understood? Now next one is what? Next one is very important thing. A bengal can be used to trace a circle, because I already discussed in the first page also. Here will be bengal is our use in the trace of circle. This is our circular part. Actually, is so many example is our circle. Is one of the example is are given in front of you. This is our bengal can be used a trace of a circle. What are the other thing around you that can you use to trace a circle? There are so many things we have to use in a trace of circle. 0, 3 and 4 example given to you. For first of all, the coin. Coin is one of the example of the trace of a circle. And next one is what here will be bowl, and everyone student you know about the bowl is a bowl is also a part of the circular type. And next one example is a plate, and a plate is a one of the example of the circular type. Next one is example of the glass, your water glass. Okay, we have to use in a circular part also. The cycle rim, okay, this is the cycle rim is also a circular part, etc. So many example around of you, so many example is are a circle, is a trace of a circle. There are so many this thing around in you which can be used in the trace of circle. Okay, now next one is the trace a circle with the sum of this in your notebook and or around the ground. Okay, because I already discussed so many example is there a trace of a circle. Okay, these are a coin, bowl, plate, glass, cup. Okay, your pressure cooker. Okay, so many things we have to use in a circular part. Next, trace a circle with the help of the sum of other in your notebook on the ground. Which thing makes the smaller circle? Now see, by using the given example, which thing make the smallest circle? We have to draw the circle. Okay, it means that we have to use the smallest circle. One of the example is the coin. Now we have to use the 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee coin. We have to use the coin. We have to draw the circle. But we have to draw the circle. This is the smallest circle. Okay, this is the one of the example. Here will be coin makes the smallest circle, is the one of the example. Coin is the one of the example of the smallest circle. Next one is what, here will be which thing makes the biggest circle. Okay, which thing makes the biggest circle? Definitely your glass, one of the example. You are, we are to using the glass, you can be also make the circle. This is what a trace of a circle. Okay, which thing makes the biggest circle? This is a glass make the biggest circle. This is the one of the example. Now trace a circle with the help of the sum of this thing in your notebook. You have to draw it by using the composite circle made by using the composite, by using the glass, and by using the coin. You can be also draw the circle. We have to draw the circle by using the coin, is the very smallest circle. Okay, by using the glass you have to draw the circle. This is the largest circle. Okay, this is all our example is are based on the trace of a circle. Okay, now let's start from the next page. Next one is games with circle. Okay, now see the is a very wonderful game. Okay, children is are playing the some games. Now see the some children is are playing the game, and we have to use the circular type. Okay, this is for a game first. Some children is are playing a game, these games, and we have to use the circular type. Okay, now see the game second, and some child is are playing the game. This is our game second. This is also we have to use in the circle. Okay, next your question is what, but why you have to use in the circle? Okay, why we have to use the circle? First of all, do you, no, next one, do you play this game? Okay, definitely every student you play this game, and so simple actually game. Okay, now next, which song do you sing where you play this game? And so many song we have to use in the game. Okay, rain go away. Okay, this is one of the song, and any other song we have to use in your games. Next one, play this game in your school. Okay, your games we have to use in a play in a school definitely. Okay. Now next one is what? Why do you make the circle in each of these game? Okay, because this is our reason we have to use. Why do you make a circle in each of these game? Why we have to use in the circle? Okay, because as the circle has a no corner. Okay, this is our circular part. One of the example is a coin is a one of the example of circle. Here will be circle has a no circular part, no corner. Okay, it means that and every student, every child and every person, okay, every girls and boy get a equal opportunity. Okay, we get a equal opportunity. That is why we have to use the circle. One of the example in cricket, in your cricket team, you have to use in the circle. Okay, not a rectangle. Understood? Why do you make a circle in each of these game? Because of their circle has no corner and each and every student get the opportunity, equal opportunity. Okay, next one. What if a rectangle was made? Discuss, because of so many games we have to use in the rectangle, but in one of the example in a cricket we have to use in the circle, not using the rectangle, because a circle has a no corner and the rectangle has a corner. Okay, that is why we have to use in the circle. We have to many games we have to use in the circle because of their equal chance and equal get the opportunity for all the players, okay, to play with the game. And think of the some other games you play by making the circle. So many games you have to make make the child and the child make. You have to some games which are play by making the circle. One of the example is a musical chair. Okay, musical chair is one of the example by using the circular. Okay, these are so many games is are based on the trace of a circle. Okay, and today is one of the very important thing is what, so many things we have to use in the circle. We have to use the circle. Okay, and I hope everyone student understood the concept of circle. Okay, there will be so many example is are based on the circle. Okay, and next topic we will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.